and we look at all the years before, there were just certain communities dominating, and nobody raised that issue. First of all, I'm Kenyan. As much as I'm Somali, I'm Kenyan. And I have every right, and I'm not going to apologize, I have every right to be the DPP. So does the DCI was appointed by the president. And it doesn't come from the community that the president comes from. The acting IG, it just happened that he was the DIG and he became the acting IG. I think it is wrong when it is a Somali, then it is an issue. And I've faced that, and that's why I said initially that I was actually treated like a second-class citizen at some point when we had this problem with the DCI, which is very, very unfortunate because we are all Kenyans. And when I sit here, Sophia, I see you as my sister, as a Kenyan, not somebody from a certain community. And me and my family have been very, very loyal to this country. Extremely loyal. And I don't think it is right for somebody to come up and start saying the DCI is Somali, I'm Somali, the deputy IG who is acting is Somali. We had, we had a period where the whole of the National Security Council was just one tribe, but nobody talked about it, and we never raised it, because we hoped that they were doing it for Kenyans.
All right.
Yeah.